welcome to today's vlog. It is Thursday right now. I think it's the 20th. Yes, today's the 20th. I should know that. But anyways, I haven't vlogged in a little while, so I decided to start a new one. I'm actually getting ready right now to go take some pictures with a girl named Mads, who I've worked with in the past. So I thought it would be fun, instead of just like a regular day in my life vlog, to do like a get ready with me and then behind the scenes for the photo shoot. So we're gonna be going to a little like flower field, greenhouse type situation. I think they actually have a sunflower field that is still in bloom, so my fingers are crossed. And then there's another little like coffee shop in town area that I think some pictures would be cute at. That's all that's really going on. I know that I've been kind of MIA on social media recently, to say the least. September's just been a pretty tough month. I don't want to get emotional right now because I have to do my makeup, but we are coming up on the 1 year, which I'm sure a lot of you guys already know. I keep telling myself that I'm gonna do a lot of things to be productive. Like yesterday I was gonna edit and get a video up and stuff, and then I like couldn't stop crying, and it was just one of those days. And then this afternoon my grandma and I were doing some more like carpet and furniture shopping. I'm sure most of you guys know this already, but I'm moving in with my grandma. That's where I am right now. I'm at her house. So that's what I did all afternoon. So I'm ready for a good productive afternoon. I haven't really been posting on Instagram much since I came home from LA, so this will be good too to give me some more pictures to use. Guys, this is my current tripod situation. Okay, I think this should be good. I'm about to start doing my makeup for the photo shoot. And yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna do a little get ready with me for it. So for foundation, I started using this one, which I feel like was super popular a long time ago. It's the L'Oreal, what is this, Pro Glow foundation, and I'm only using it because it's the only one that matches my skin color right now. So I just like kind of pulled it out the one day, and then I was like, wait, this is actually really nice. But I do use a primer with it because it's a glowy foundation, and like I don't want to look oily by the end of the day. So this is the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. Obviously I've used like half of mine. I really like it. I'm not a huge foundation primer person though, so I don't use it every single day. My friend Abby used to always make fun of me because I would like do a step of my makeup and then start fanning my face. I don't know, I feel like it makes everything like set in faster. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with the foundation now. I'm so excited to get everything like set up the way that I want it to be here at my grandma's. But the reason that we haven't really done anything yet is because she's getting new carpet throughout the entire upstairs. So there's literally no point in me getting the nightstands and the desk and a new dresser and all that kind of stuff that I want if we're getting new carpet. So it's so annoying because I'm just not very patient, and it'll just be so much easier once everything is the way that I want it to be. Also, I'll show you guys a quick little sneak peek of what my bedroom looks like. I am in the bedroom right now. That's actually going to be my office, beauty, filming, whatever room, and then the one across the hall I'm actually going to be using as a bedroom. So we painted it pink, which I'm so happy about. I used my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer under my eyes. It's my favorite. And then to like sort of bake but set my under eye area, I used the L'Oreal Infallible translucent powder, and then this is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm just using to set the rest of my face. I like my makeup to be super matte. I don't want it moving. I don't want it tacky on my skin. I hate that feeling of like wet makeup. So I just like press that all over my face, and then under my eyes I just kind of like wipe away the translucent powder so that it's not white. But using a beauty blender, either wet or dry, with the translucent powder like that is the only way that my under eye concealer does not crease. So I highly recommend that to anyone. I've never tried it with a sponge other than a beauty blender, like if you wanted to use the Real Techniques or Morphe sponges. I don't know how well those ones would work. I would assume it's like the same though. But as far as like using the sponge damp to apply my foundation and my concealer, 100% the beauty blender. Like, it's so much better. I still have my new one that I got in my FabFitFun box. Also, I started a new, like, I guess you could say babysitting job, but like it's really not babysitting. But for my aunt's co-worker, she needed someone to help get her daughter on the bus. Who just also might be watching this video. So I started doing that weekday mornings. So I get to their house at 7, and then I'm there until about 8:15. So like, it's really not babysitting because she's 9, almost 10. So like, she's able to obviously take care of herself. But just like to be there and help her, and I guess be an adult. But anyways, I'm really tired because I haven't had to like consistently wake up that early since when I was in school, and I've talked about this a little bit in past videos, but I was not a good student actually, and I went to school late all the time. So I can't even really say that I was ever in a stricter teen. I don't know, I'm starting to second guess that foundation. Like, I used it a couple days ago and I thought it looked really good, and now that I'm looking at it in this lighting, I feel like it looks a little weird. Maybe not. Maybe it does look okay. I think my skin is just being weird right now. Okay, mascara is done, and then just for my lips, I'm really quickly going to throw on my NARS Velvet Lip Glide. This is in the color Bound. It is probably my all-time favorite lip product and color. All right, my makeup is finished. I kept it pretty natural. Honestly, it's like super similar to the makeup I did for that like sit down get ready with me that I filmed. So this is the dress that I'm gonna be wearing. It's this blue midi one. It's a wrap dress. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell, but it ties right here. So this is from Francesca's. I actually got it about maybe a year and a half ago, but I love it. It's so like feminine and pretty. I just never have anything to wear it for. So we're gonna take some pictures. I'm wearing my movement watch and then just my pearl studs. So yeah, also I'm in my new room, but I'm not showing you guys anything. Okay guys, so I just got to the place that we're gonna be taking some pictures. Hi. This is Madison. We've shot together a couple times in the past, so yeah, we're actually in a greenhouse right now. We are gonna take, yeah, it's humid, so hopefully my hair stays okay. We were gonna take pictures at the sunflower field, but that didn't work out, so we're gonna just do the best that we can here, and I'm gonna like film behind the scenes stuff and show you guys what's happening.
I was so terrified by your face. Oh my god! It scared me so much.
Little kitten showed up. It's so cute. Hi, baby. Hi. You're so cute.
Oh my gosh.
I want to take him home. Oh. Oh my gosh.
She's coming back.
That is so cute. She's like perfectly in the, really?
Yes.
You're a photogenic little kitty. Alright guys, so we just came to, oh, oh
no, were you in water?
Oh no! Look, I literally just
oh no,
I sunk.
Submerged your foot completely.
Wow, what a way to start a vlog clip. Okay, so we literally just pulled over on the side of the road. There's this big field. Since we couldn't do the sunflowers, we're gonna try making this work. We have no clue where we are right now. We're in the middle of the country. Okay. Oh my gosh, you look so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, this lighting is really good.
I know, it's beautiful.
It's kind of prickly.
Yeah, it is really prickly, so watch your legs.
Yeah. But this is like the best time for me to be wearing the shortest dress I own.
Like right in, so you're like tucked in kind of.
Oh yeah.
Like right in here. That way it like looks like you're like deep in the...
Smile. Okay guys, I just wanted to film a quick little update. We're still taking pictures in this field and they're turning out so good. But I have a blanket in my car, so I'm gonna get it now. That way we can like have me sitting down or something for some of the pictures. I don't know, they're turning out so good and I'm just really excited about it. It's just hard because like I can't put my vlog camera anywhere while we do this. So I will let you guys know whatever happens next. Okay guys, so we finished up with taking pictures. We're still like over by that big yellow field.
Gorgeous.
Yes, it's hot, my hair's frizzy, the sun's going down, so we're gonna wrap it up. But I wanted to like film a quick clip with Madison so that she could talk about how she got into photography and like share her social media stuff with you guys.
Hi guys, I'm Madison Pisarczyk and I'm the owner of Mad Photography. I actually started photography whenever I was 16, and it was because I realized that I could give somebody confidence through taking their photo. So I just like, it was this girl, her eyes just lit up whenever she saw a photo of herself. So I was just like, oh my gosh, I can give somebody
that confidence,
boost their self-esteem.
Yeah,
it was really cool. So now I'm 20 and I've been doing this like, it's going on 5 years, and I'm just really passionate about photography. So, and I get to work with awesome people like Erin. So it's just like really cool. It's really great. I love it.
Obviously I'll have like all of her social media links and everything in the description box. You have a website, right? Yeah,
yes.
Didn't you just
Yes, I just got my own domain. It's madsierraphotography.com.
Yeah.
My Instagram's Mad Sierra Photography. My Facebook's Mad Photography, but Instagram's more popular, so.
Yeah. Guys, we're literally on the side of the road, like in the middle of country Pennsylvania.
Yeah, we have no idea where we are. We were like trying to find a small town near here, and we were like, where?
Yeah, this is probably about as small as it gets. But yeah, thank you so much for taking my pictures today.
Of course, it was my pleasure. It was so fun.
If you guys are like in the area, do you travel much for photography?
I do travel a lot, so if you guys want me, I will be there.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. So I just wanted her to like share her info with you guys. And
thanks, Erin's awesome.
Alright guys, so I just wanted to film a quick clip to end this vlog. I thought it would be fun to do like a behind the scenes, like for the photo shoot, and let you guys meet Mads because she is so sweet, and I think that was my third or fourth time shooting with her, and she's just always done a really nice job. So if you're in the Pittsburgh area, definitely reach out to her if you'd want her to take some of your pictures. She's done other stuff too, just like weddings and senior portraits and stuff like that, so definitely look at her social media. But yeah, it's like 9 o'clock and I am so exhausted right now, so I'm gonna go shower. I feel so gross from like taking all those pictures in the, I think my grandma said that was ragweed. They weren't even flowers. I was literally taking pictures in a weed field. But I'm so excited to see how those pictures turned out. I did see some like quick little sneak peeks of them, and I'm really excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and all of that kind of stuff, and I will talk to you later. Bye.